Thank you for joining me again today. I hope you all had a really good week. Today I'm working in the garden and I have few plants that I'm going to plant again in this area. So today I'm going to plant peony trees, and I have actually 5 of them, 2 white one not sure, I think it's like a reddish, maybe dark raspberry, not sure, and then the other one is a purple one. So let me show you what I have. And I found them at our supermarket. They were an excellent price for such a mature peony trees. You can see they've and I just wanted to talk about a few minutes about this wonderful and amazing plants. I have a few of them in my garden. I had quite a bit of a success with them. They're still growing, but I have to say they grow very, very slow. So that being said, I'm excited to find this mature peonies. You can see how healthy they are. They have lots of eyes, and in fact, if you see close up right here, you can see that they're already forming buds right there. There's like 5 actually. There's a little one right there. So they actually will bloom probably this spring, which is really exciting. Usually when you get the small one, it takes a few years to start blooming. And I have one really mature one in my garden that I wanted to show you really quick right here. This one was mature as well, that we purchased maybe 4 years ago, but you can see how gorgeous this plant is. I mean, it's just so robust, and it has this amazing form to itself. So you can see I will have a bunch of blooms this year already. They're all starting to form right here. And so I'm going, and this will get bigger. This probably will go about maybe 4 to 5 feet, 5 feet tall. But again, it takes a long time for them to reach to that height. So a couple of things about the peony trees. Tree peonies are they really don't like sun very much at all. Actually, they're not like herbaceous peonies where they really like lots of sun, etc. So these guys like to be in a shade, not maybe in a deep shade, but they can get maybe brief sun in the mornings or filtered sun. It will be ideal for them to be in that environment. But I noticed that they like to stay moist, and so I'm also going to mix lots of compost with my soil as well, because they really like to be in a kind of a lighter soil, so they can have a good drainage. And also the most important part about the tree peonies, you guys, they need to be planted really low into the ground. So they need to be planted really low into the ground, much farther than herbaceous peony, because they are grafted on a different kind of root ball, and so different herbaceous root ball. Probably what I'm thinking, correct me if I'm wrong, but the rhizomes will come out and actually kill the tree peony if it's not planted very low into the ground. So they will actually start coming up. Either you have to make sure to remove them. If they're planted shallow, it will actually cause a problem for this plant. So I would suggest to plant a lot farther down than you would normally below the soil level. So anyway, this one is white, and you can see they're semi-double, and it's really kind of windy today, you guys. I hope you can hear me well, but I really want to get this done. So this one here, I wanted to show you. It has a beautiful color, but it's a semi-double as well, and they have a quite large flowers. So I'm really excited about this. And so I have one, maybe I'll plant right there, and then white one, and then I wanted to show you the purple one. Purple one is quite beautiful as well. See the purple one? It's so pretty. Really excited. Look how gorgeous these plants are. So This one I think I'm gonna go ahead and plant maybe somewhere right here. So I will have kind of a nice inflow. And I have another white one here. So I have three whites, a red one, or raspberry one, or the purple one. So I have white, purple, white, red, and white. And so I'm just gonna go back and check this one more time and see how they look and make sure that they flow well. And I don't want to plant them too far out because it takes very long time for them to get tall, and I want to see them, to enjoy them, because this time of a year when they're starting to bloom, there's not a whole lot of stuff around them. They would really stand out and it would be close enough so we can actually look and enjoy it. So all right, I think this is good. Maybe this one might do a little more this way, maybe like that, maybe like that, maybe like here, 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 here. In fact, this one be a little farther, and like this. Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and get planting. And I just wanted to say really quickly, since I have this here, I'm planning on, you will see me in my new coming up videos, that I'm going to plant more clematis, and I'm thinking to have maybe these guys, and which I have a lot of those, like metal net ones. I think they used to be maybe fence or something in one point. So I'm going to wrap them around the trees. I was just testing this one out because I want to have a stand for clematis to grow and to grow on trees, because I have quite a bit of an area here that they can actually climb, and I think it's going to be a really nice vertical look for the clematis to kind of go over the trees. So I think this is my idea. It's inexpensive and I can recycle things that I find in the garden, and you can't really see it. I think it's going to look really nice because, you know, they can just climb and probably will cover everything, and they will fit around the tree just fine. If I can maybe put another one back here and tie them together, maybe strong enough to support the clematis. So anyway, it's just another idea, and you probably see me doing this later, but I'm going to go ahead and start planting my tree peonies. At this point. Okay everyone, so we went ahead and planted all the tree peonies. Look how beautiful they look. I think I really like the whole harmony of the way I planted them, because there is three white ones, one purple, one red, and they're kind of in between. So I went ahead and planted very deep, because this tree peonies really need to be planted deep for the rhizomes not to come out, or if you see them to come, they start growing from the root, make sure you just cut them, because they will affect your plant. And also just wanted to tell you about these plants, that they they're not ideal to plant in a colder environment because they're really for warmer environment. If you are in a colder zones, growing zones like in Colorado or in North, you can plant intersectional peonies like Ito peonies, and they're equally amazing. So they will have big flowers, different varieties, like from the copper to yellow to salmon almost. You can have all these beautiful flowers, tree peony like flowers, but it's more of a, and it has a little woody, they look like they're woody, kind of like tree peonies. You will see that they look like this. They just don't grow too tall, but they are very hardy. They literally take no maintenance. They will be great plants for you in the colder zones. But for the tree peonies, they really prefer warmer zones. So anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm all dirty, but I'm finished for today. It's kind of windy today, and we almost didn't film it today, but we decided to go ahead and plant them, get something done again today. So you have a wonderful week. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me messages. If you have any questions, I love hearing from all of you guys, and I respond very quickly. So I love being engaged with all of you. So anyway, enjoy your week. Please don't forget to subscribe. Anyone, for the new subscribers, thank you so much. So, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.